Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located on 301 just north of University in Sarasota, Florida, about 2 miles from the airport. Here at Classic Cars of Sarasota, we're going to look at this 1962 Corvette, beautiful silver Fulie we have here. We'll review the vehicle, go through some documentation it has, show you the underneath, but just wanted to have you look at the car first. Again, the paint job is absolutely gorgeous. There's no flaws in the paint itself at all. You can see in the back we got some trophies. It is a double top flight NCRS award winning vehicle. Go through the documentation shortly, but this is a stunning collector car quality vehicle that has no excuses whatsoever. Shows very nice, runs. You can drive it to shows, you can store it as a collector car, and as you go around, it's tough with the light in here. You can see pictures online. We have pictures of the vehicle online on our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. But the interesting thing, as you're looking right now, this is a gold grille, which is one of 50, which indicates high horsepower. So this has a 327 360 horse Fulie. Again, NCRS top flight, double top flight vehicle here. Very clean car, runs and looks beautiful. Again, you will be award-winning vehicle as it already has. The red interior, 4-speed, 67,000 miles. You can see the high RPM tack and red line. It does come with a hard top, which is matching color of the car, and obviously it does have a soft top. But did want to show you the documentation that really makes this car special. Again, double award-winning NCRS top flight award winner. Just going to go through some of the documentation we have. Again, some of the initial stickers. Again, the owner's manual, which again doesn't necessarily make it unique, but has all the numbers for transmission, exhaust, generators. There's the top flight certificate. It actually has the top flight scoring as well. Go through, not going to go through every page. Some information about the restoration that it has gone through. And then it has a copy of the original window sticker, and right behind it, it has the original window sticker for this 62 Fulie, one of 50, with the black grille. Again, 327 horse, or excuse me, 327 cubic inch, 360 horse, 62 Fulie. Go ahead and let this trophy down here, and we'll close the, you can see, shuts very easily. Wanted to show you the car, and then we'll get it up in the air. The bottom of it looks just as nice as the top. We will start it as well so you can hear it and see that it starts up easily. Again, the vehicle's in excellent condition. It's been kept in climate control, garage, and used very lightly. So let's get inside, and the beautiful red interior. And start this up. Get the right key here. And we got the battery disconnected. Apologize for that. We disconnect the battery for insurance purposes while inside. So let me get over to the battery. And get that connected. That's it. It's actually got a battery shut off there. Get that done. Apologize, folks, but should have had that done before we started it. But there we go. Starts right up. And again, 4-speed. Lights work. You can see the oil gauge, battery. You can see the tach here. The tach does work, obviously. Got 3/4 of a tank. You can see it is cold. So it was a true cold start. Gotta warm up a little bit here. Again, sounds very nice. Car runs extremely well. As I mentioned, it runs as good as it looks. There's no smoke coming out of the exhaust. Sounds, that rumble. That beautiful example of a American legend right here. Corvette 1962 Fulie, 1 of 50 with the gold grille, signifying the high horsepower 360. There's the engine run. Go ahead and get this shut off here. I'll get it shut off. We'll go back and disengage the battery since we're inside. As you can see, it's got battery disconnect here. And then we will go ahead and raise it up so you can see the bottom. Turn the air on. If you are interested in this vehicle, please give us a call at 941-355-1955. If you're looking into financing, we can help you on financing. We do have several lenders that we use exclusively. They do classic cars, so they know the values, and they are doing primarily classic cars only, so we can help you get financing. If you have shipping needs, we can ship this worldwide, door to door. Kayla, my office manager, she does manage all the shipping for us. She's capable of shipping this vehicle anywhere in the US, Canada, and or anywhere in the world for you. So please give us a call if interested. 941-355-1955. Also, if you want to see additional pictures or information on the vehicle, please visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. So we'll go underneath it, and you can see again lower control arms in great shape. Engine painted as it would be coming from the factory back in 1962. Frame rails in great shape, again as you would anticipate, and no rust, corrosion or anything on a restoration vehicle, but this is even after the restoration has been in very good care. Again, this vehicle is as clean underneath as it is on top. And again, it is a double NCRS Top Flight award-winning vehicle. And it does have spare, and it comes with all the paperwork you get with the vehicle. Just a beautiful example of a 1962 Fulie 327 with the 360 horse, noted by the gold grille. Again, beautiful silver, comes with a matching hardtop. Obviously the soft top is included as well, and you'll see that in the pictures on the website. Thank you very much.